The RT-2PM Topol was a special missile. It was built by the Soviets during the Cold War. This missile could travel very far and carry a nuclear bomb. The Topol was important because it could survive a surprise attack. It could be moved around on a big truck, making it hard to find. This made enemies think twice before attacking. The Topol showed the world how powerful the Soviet Union was. It kept the peace by making sure no one wanted to start a nuclear war. For many years, the Topol stood guard, ready to protect its country. It was a symbol of both fear and hope during a dangerous time. Building the Topol was not easy. Soviet engineers faced many challenges. They had to make a missile that was accurate, reliable, and hard to shoot down. One of the biggest problems was making the Topol mobile. Putting a huge missile on a truck was a difficult engineering task. The Soviets had to design special vehicles and roads that could handle the weight. Despite the challenges, the Soviets persevered. They tested the Topol many times to make sure it worked perfectly. Finally, in the 1980s, the Topol was ready. It was a testament to the ingenuity and determination of the Soviet engineers who created it. The Topol was a three-stage solid-fueled missile. This means it used solid fuel to launch into space. Solid fuel is safer and easier to store than liquid fuel. The missile was almost 70 feet tall and weighed over 100,000 pounds. It could travel thousands of miles and hit targets with incredible accuracy. What made the Topol special was its mobility. The missile was mounted on a massive 8-axle truck. This truck could travel off-road and launch the missile. Section 4, Topol in action, tests, deployments, and deterrence. The Topol was tested many times throughout its development. These tests were important to ensure the missile's reliability and accuracy. During one famous test, the Topol successfully hit a target thousands of miles away. Once the Topol was ready, it was deployed by the Soviet and later Russian military. The mobile launchers were spread out across the country, making them difficult to target. The Topol's deployment had a significant impact on the balance of power. It showed the world that the Soviet Union had a powerful weapon that could survive a first strike. Section 5. End of an era, Topol's retirement in the future. As the Cold War ended, the need for nuclear weapons decreased. Russia began to modernize its nuclear forces, and the Topol, while still a capable system, was getting old. In the 2010s, Russia began to retire the Topol. It was replaced by newer missiles, such as the RS-24 which is even more advanced and harder to detect. The retirement of the Topol marked the end of an era. The Topol was a symbol of a time when the world lived under the threat of nuclear war. It served its purpose, deterring conflict and ensuring peace. Though the Topol is...
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.